Hey Amazon sellers, are you ready to discover some secret hacks to get free products for reselling on Amazon? Stick around and I'll show you step by step how you can get started right away. First up, let's talk about product testing programs. Companies are always looking for feedback on their new products, and many of them are willing to give away free items in exchange for honest reviews. Websites like Influencer, Smiley360, and BizAgent are great places to start. Just sign up, fill out your profile, and start applying for campaigns that match your interests. Next, leverage Amazon's own Vine program. If you're an experienced seller with a good track record, you can become a Vine voice. As a Vine voice, you'll receive free products from Amazon in exchange for detailed reviews. This not only helps you get free inventory, but also builds your credibility on the platform. Another great way is through direct outreach to manufacturers and brands. Many smaller companies are eager to get their products noticed and will provide samples to resellers who can help showcase their items. Reach out via email or social media. Introduce yourself and explain how you can help promote their products. Remember, a well-crafted pitch can go a long way. Don't forget about local giveaways and community groups. Join Facebook groups, local forums, and even Nextdoor. People often give away items they no longer need, and you can snag some great finds for reselling. Plus, you'll be helping keep things out of landfills. It's a win-win. Now let's talk about clearance sales and couponing. Websites like Slick Deals and Honey can help you find the best deals on products. Combine coupons and sales to get items for free or close to it. Stock up and then resell these items on Amazon for a profit. And finally, never underestimate the power of networking. Attend trade shows, reselling meetups, and industry events. Building relationships with other sellers and suppliers can open the door to exclusive product offers and giveaways. So there you have it. From product testing programs in Amazon's Vine program to local giveaways and savvy couponing, these hacks can help you score free products for reselling on Amazon. Try them out and watch your inventory grow without spending a dime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insider tips. Happy selling, everyone. Thanks for watching.